Hi everyone, welcome to maths video. Revision session is going on. Okay, so I hope you all have started studying well for the exam. You're doing hard work. See, we reached first unit test. There are only from tomorrow there'll be I think 3 days will be left for the first unit test. So I hope you have prepared for all the subjects, especially maths, because maths need only three, although three chapters are there, but it needs continuous practice. Okay. Few things you have to understand about maths that will see maths syllabus. Okay. So please go through the videos. And when I actually what I have noticed that you people do not go through the videos, but you keep asking the doubts. So means, for example, today you have said that I have not understood so and so question from the so and so. You don't watch next video and then again you say, miss, clear my doubt. So you have to watch the video and see whether your doubt has been cleared or not. All right, so simply for the sake of clearing doubt, don't do that. Okay, I hope you all understand this. And now these are the solutions for extra questions. You can see wherever needed I have solved and I have shown you. Okay, resolve answers are available because these are textbook questions, so you can see from the classwork. I hope classwork you have maintained. So rough work also I have explained here. Please go through. Wherever textbook questions are there, I have not solved. Okay, few answers are in decimal, but that's all right. If you get answer in decimals, if you get answer in fractions, that absolutely fine. So here you have got solution for chapter 3 also. Okay, so we are seen chapter ratio once again, and see we'll talk about the key points of ratio. What are the key points of ratio is, if you see this exercise, I hope you'll be able to see, because sometimes because of video compressor things get blurred. Okay, so if you see this exercise 11a, I'm talking about 11a. What is important is conversion in simplest form. Simplest form is also known as lowest form. Okay, so in this what you have to do is you have to just divide these two numbers, whether they come in which table, and wherever needed you have to convert. 1 hour you have to convert in minutes, years you have to convert in months, kg you have to convert in grams, centimeter you have to convert, meter you have to convert in centimeter. Okay, so all these things you have to do it. Then, and in this first, if you will see ratio, we are dealing with ratio. So you have to find ratio means x upon y, you have to find a upon b, you have to find. All right, so in such cases, if you'll see c questions, c sub questions, here you are supposed to find out its LCM. All right, and this we have, please go through the previous videos, you will get the explanation in details there. Okay, then again this field is 80 meter long and 60 meter wide. Find the ratio of width to length. So width, what is given? Width is 60 and length is 80. So write 60 is to 80, because width to length is different from length to width. Here length is given first and width is asked. So take care of these things. True or false will not be coming, you know it. It's not there in the pattern. So when it is said that find out whether this ratio is same as this ratio, what you have to do is 15 kg upon 35. 15 is to 35 and 6 is to 14, means 15 upon 35 and 6 upon 14 you have to find out. You have to divide 15 upon 35. You have to use 5 stable here. You can use 2 stable here. Okay, and find out whether LHS is equals to RHS or not. Same way fifth also. Question number 6. Find the ratio between 3.5 m, 475 m, centimeter and 2.8 meters. You have to convert it first. Then you have to see it comes in which one table. Okay. We have done this in video. Please go through the video. Why I'm telling you to continuously go through the video, so that you will get the information in details. Okay. So at present I cannot give so many questions together. Find the ratio between 5 dozen and 2 scores. So 5 dozen means 12. So 5 12s are 60 and 2 scores. 1 score equals to 20. In exam, 1 score equals to 20 will not be given. You have to know it. So 2 20s are 40. So you have to find ratio between 60 is to 40. 60 upon 40. You have to divide it. Division bringing to lowest term is the most important part. Okay. So the next, if you'll see solved examples also, you can do it. So here only ratios you have to form. Ratios means division, always remember. Ratio means comparing through division. Salary to expenditure. The value of salary divided upon expenditure. This way. Boys to the whole class. Number of boys upon strength. That is total number of students. Girls to boys. Number of girls divided by number of boys. 2 boys. Means girls to boys means what? Girls divided by boys. Number of girls divided by number of boys. Here also all the questions are of same type. Reduce each of the following ratios to their lowest term. If you'll see, lowest term means I have told you dividing them and bringing to simplest form. Lowest and simplest are same. So 1 hour 20 minutes is to 2 hours. So convert this completely, this and this into 1 unit. So here we can do it. We can convert it into minutes. This whole in minutes and this whole in minutes. So 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 plus 20, 80 minutes is 2. 2 hours means 60 minutes. 2 hours means 120. So 80 is to 120 minutes. Then you have to divide it and find out. Okay. So you'll see different type of word problems are given. The basics which are very, very important. Remember, ratio means comparing by dividing. So ratio means division will always come. Division means bringing to lowest term. So this only logic is involved in all the questions. Okay, so remember, ratio means dividing. So same way here also. 120 is being divided into Hari and Gopi. The ratio is 5:5. How much does each get? So in such cases, when this one quantity is given and ratio is given, add the quantity. So first find out total. What is the total? 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. This type of questions we have solved. 5 plus 3, 8. So 5 out of 8 multiplied by this quantity. Okay. In this case also, you can find out LCM through LCM. You can go through it. Through LCM you can find out this also. Okay. 11C. B and 11C. So this I was saying, total amount, ratio 6 is to 9 is to 10. Total first you have to find out. First share means 6 out of 25 multiplied by 10, 2500. So this way we are dealing with such. So children, for knowing more about 11C, please go through my previous videos, because if you go through those videos you will get answers in detail. Okay. So if you have any doubts regarding these questions, please go through the previous videos. They will definitely help you, and get back to studies as soon as possible, because first unit test, only 3 days are left. I hope you understand the seriousness of the exam and do hard work. Thank you so much, and please take care.